Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a true next level vehicle security system, the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dash cam, designed for drivers who want complete coverage with zero blind spots. This is a 4-channel dash cam, meaning it records from 4 directions at the same time. You get 2.7K resolution from the front, 1440p from the rear, and 2 full HD interior and side cameras, creating a full 360-degree recording system around your vehicle. This setup is ideal for city driving, rideshare drivers, taxis, and anyone who parks in crowded areas. The N5S is powered by STARVIS 2 sensors, which dramatically improve clarity, color accuracy, and low-light performance. Combined with advanced night vision, this camera captures clear faces, license plates, and surroundings even in near-dark conditions. One of the standout features is the 24/7 buffered parking mode. Unlike basic parking modes that start recording after an impact, buffered parking mode saves footage before and after an event, giving you full context of what happened while your car was parked. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly access recordings on your smartphone without removing the memory card. Voice control lets you operate key functions hands-free while driving, improving safety and convenience. The dual GPS system accurately logs your speed, route, and location data from multiple camera angles, making recordings even more reliable for insurance claims and legal evidence. And with support for up to 1 TB microSD cards, you can store days of multi-channel footage without worrying about constant overwriting. Overall, the Vantrue N5S is built for drivers who want maximum coverage, professional-grade recording, and true peace of mind. If you want full 360-degree protection for your vehicle, this dashcam is absolutely worth considering. Check the Amazon link below to buy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews.